Angiosperm phylogeny group. Angiosperm phylogeny group is also called APG, Angiosperm phylogeny group. Before the explanation of Angiosperm phylogeny group, we know the angiosperms characters and their classifications done by the different botanical scientists. The botanical term angiosperm from the ancient Greek, the flowering plants, also known as Magnoliophyta, the most diverse group of land plants, seed producing plants, flowers, endosperm within the seeds, and the production of fruits that containing seeds are distinct features. Angiosperm classification. In the past, classification systems were typically produced by an individual botanist or by a small group. The result was a large number of systems. Different systems and their updates were generally favored in the different countries. History of angiosperm classifications. Mainly three systems are here. One is artificial system, second one is natural system, third one is phylogenetic system. Artificial system on the basis of one or few characters of plants, it done by the Linnaeus. Natural system, a large number of morphological characters were taken into consideration in the natural system of classification. The natural system of classification done by the Bentham and Hookers. Phylogenetic classification of system. Phylogenetic system, it based on evolutionary sequences as well as genetic relationships among different groups of plants. The phylogenetic system of classification done by the Engler and Prandtl scientists. See, flowering plants are diversified widespread 120 million years ago. Here it is United Kingdom Bentham Hooker's system of classification done by natural system, and phylogenetic system done by the Europe scientist Engler's system, and Takajan system by Takajan scientist, he belongs to Russia. Cohnquist system done by the Cohnquist, he belongs to America. The phylogeny group, Angiosperm phylogeny group. In the late 1990s, an informal group of researchers from major institutions worldwide came together, established APG, Angiosperm phylogeny group. Objective was to provide a widely accepted, more stable points of reference for angiosperm classification. APG1, Angiosperm Phylogeny Group 1, was published in 1998 as their first attempt in Annals of Missouri Botanical Garden. The initial 1998 paper by the APG, Angiosperm Phylogeny Group, made angiosperm the first large group of organisms to be systematically reclassified primarily on the basis of genetic characteristics, emphasized the need for a classification system of angiosperm at the level of families, orders, and above. Existed systems are rejected is because they are not phylogenetic. Angiosperm phylogeny groups. The group established or published, the group published 462 families of angiosperms grouped into 40 monophyletic orders. The group published 462 families of angiosperms grouped into 40 monophyletic orders. The monophyletic orders consist of an ancestral species and all descendants and all its descendants. Outline of monophyletic or phylogenetic tree of flowering plants become established. The outline of a phylogenetic tree of all flowering plants become established. Several well-supported major clades or clades involving many families of flowering plants were identified. The new knowledge of phylogeny revealed relationships in conflict with the then widely used modern classifications. It became clear that none of the previous classification accurately reflected phylogenetic relations of flowering plants. Relationship of flowering plants. The principles of angiosperm phylogeny group. The lineage system of orders and families should be retained. Groups should be monophyletic, consist of all descendants of a common ancestors. A broad approach is taken to defining the limits of groups such as orders and families. Above or parallel to the level of orders and families, the term clades or clades is used more freely. Clades is used more freely. Features of APG. Formal scientific names are not used above the level of order named clades being used instead. The substantial number of taxa whose classification had traditionally been uncertain or given places. Alternative classification are provided for some groups. A major outcome of the classification is disappearance of traditional division of flowering plants into two groups, monocots and dicots. The monocots are recognized as a clade, but the dicots are not. It is why the dicots eudicots. Why the dicots become eudicots. The angiospermous plants were divided into two distinct classes. The monocotyledons or monocotyledonnae and dicotyledons or dicotyledonnae. The two cotyledons descriptive of traditional classification dicots also occurs in the coniferales, cycadales, and nettles, and is not thought as an ancestral features of the following flowering plants. Ancestral feature of the flowering plants is not distinct to any group within. Advantages of APG. The genetic approach is more modern, precious, and objective. The system is group work. Use of monophyletic groups. Monophyletic groups provide a descriptive link between the groups. The substantial number of taxa whose classified had traditionally been uncertain are given place. Disadvantages of APG. Named clades being used instead of formal scientific names above the level of order, thus eudicots and monocots are not given a formal rank. Taxa which are uncertain to rank were ranked up, but 25 families are still remaining uncertain position. Alternative classifications are provided for some groups. For example, Fumariaceae can either be treated as a separate family or as a part of Papaveraceae. That become first and what come after is not clearly determined. The summary of APG2 2003, APG2 Angiosperm Phylogeny Group 2 2003. Angiosperm Phylogeny Group was a revision of the first APG system published in 1998, and APG2 was suppressed 6.5 years later by the APG3 system in 2009. Some of the main changes in APG2 are: new orders are proposed, practically to accommodate the basal clades left as families in the first system of APG classification, APG system of classification. Many of the previously unplaced families are now located in the system. Several major families are restructured. And APG3 2009. APG3 means Angiosperm Phylogeny Group 3, published in 2009. The third paper from the APG updates the system described in the 2003 paper. A broad outline of the system remains unchanged, but the number of previously unplaced families and genera is significantly reduced. This requires to recognition of both new orders and new families compared to the previous classification. The APG3 system recognized all of the 45 orders of previous system as well as 40 new one. The number of order goes up to from 45 to 55. Only 10 families are not placed in an order, and only 2 of those are left entirely outside of classification. And the next, APG 2016, published by fourth book, APG 4 2016. The Angiosperm Phylogeny Group 2006 fourth version. A fourth version has now been published, but the methodology has been the subject is criticism and develop in a consequence as proved more difficult than the previous iteration. In a particular, Peter Stevens has questioned the validity of discussion regarding family delimitation in the absence of changes phylogenetic relationships. So up to 2006, four books are published by the APG, Angiosperm Phylogeny Group, and new inventions are came to the botanical scientists, and they were meet at one place. They are discussed on the classification nomenclature of the plants, and they provide easy classification, easy identifiable characters of angiosperms. The last published book is APG, Angiosperm Phylogeny Group, that is fourth version.